As a kid, just seeing mechanisms work that I couldn't even fathom how the parts were made, it lit a passion in me for anything mechanical, any kind of a mechanism. I'm a senior design engineer for a sporting optics company, Leupold & Stevens. And then my side hustle, I guess, is putting educational videos on YouTube. Teaching people about engineering, that it doesn't have to be this big scary thing. And the projects that I do online, whether it's harnessing energy from my rain gutters or doing something with a wind turbine on my truck, it all stems from the physics and engineering classes that I took at Oregon State. I had no fantasy about making any money or any kind of ad revenue off of YouTube. And it's just like, I just want to put this stuff out there. This is a knife throwing machine. That desire to show people that didn't have the privilege of going to engineering school or just weren't necessarily engineering minded or didn't have that passion, to show them that a little bit of math can get you a long way in engineering and in physics, and there's some really cool stuff that you can do with it. People ask me, would you ever go do YouTube full time? And it's like, man, I really like being an engineer. It's a lot of fun.
Very rarely do I have a video sent to me where I'm like, gosh dang it, I should have done that. Except I wouldn't have been able to do it as well as they did. And the knife throwing machine is, the gauntlet has been thrown, please.
To be fair, it was the two of us together.
Programming, yeah. That was actually the part that was leveled up. That's not easy to do, so well done.